Hello everyone, and this is ASC Variety Vlogs, and I would like to welcome you to this very beautiful destination in the province of Bohol, in the municipality of Bilar. This is the Butterfly and Python Sanctuary. Yes guys, if you are in Bohol province and you will be doing the Bohol countryside tour, this is one of the destinations, the very relaxing place where you are just watching these flying butterflies from color black to white and to stripes and many colors. So you will really appreciate how beautiful this God's creation is, as they are flying even into your head, and even some will just stop on your shoulder, and really the place is just cool, and you are watching these butterflies like receiving this nectar from these flowers. So you can see several flowering plants inside. As we all know, butterflies, they love the flowers, and they are transferring from one flower to the other, and even getting closer to the tourist. So that's how relaxing the place is. So whenever you can visit Bohol province in the Philippines, so please consider to go to this area. And this is the Butterfly and Python Sanctuary. I will let you see other animals in this place later. So this is the dead butterflies already, so they are not putting it away, but rather they make it to be part of the attractions of the place. So they try to preserve those dead butterflies. And this is another exotic animal that you can see in the area. So not just that crocodile, but they also have this python, and that it came with different colors, so, and different sizes as well. Later we'll be doing an adventure with this python. And oh, that's a live crocodile. You see, it's walking. But don't worry guys, because it cannot go out because they're inside the cage, so tourists like us will be safe. But for this python, this albino one, they are very friendly. Well, in fact, I have a close encounter with them. I went inside the cage, because if you are just outside, it's like you'll be having regret of why not getting inside and be a friend with this albino python. So that time I was already inside their cage and planning to carry one of these albino pythons. So I talked to the owner, and lucky, because one of their attractions in there is to allow the tourists to carry this albino python. But of course they have to take it out from the cage for the tourists to carry them. So this is now the video, our opportunity with the encounter of this albino python. So it's really very nice. It's like, if you're afraid of snakes, don't worry, because this kind is very friendly and it won't harm you. So I'm encouraging you to try this one, and you will really feel happy. And thank you everyone. Hope you could visit Bohol province.